Hi, I'm Brittany here with your art fail of the week. Today I will be showing you how to paint a silhouette of a haunted house and also a black cat, just in time for Halloween. I'll be using black acrylic paint. You can use any kind of paint you want, and then a paintbrush. So let's get started. I'm gonna put my paint on my palette. If you have a paper plate, that also works. Okay. Your first step is going to be a square. So from the bottom, we're gonna go up and over, down, and then you can connect these two at the bottom. And I'm gonna draw our doors and windows just so I know where to leave white. So I'm gonna make a rectangle right there. And we'll see if I can make small squares with this. Small square for a window up here. Another little square right here. Your lines don't have to be perfect right now. We're just doing the outline. And then I'm gonna put another one right here. Okay, now we fill in everything else with black. Make sure you leave your squares and that rectangle white. So you're filling it in basically like a coloring book. And if you need to make straighter lines on your windows and door, this is the time to fix that. You can either go over the line you made and make it straighter, or make the window a little bit smaller so that it looks straighter. I'm gonna get some water on my brush so that this paint spreads easier. That will be our main part of the house. Then we're gonna add like one of those upper floors that kind of stick out like a castle. So we're gonna go in with our rectangle again. Meet it. I'm gonna try to meet it up with that side. It can be kind of crooked because it is a haunted house. So if you want to make yours a little bit more crooked, that works too. Okay, we're gonna add a window to this one too. Or at least I am. You don't have to. I'm gonna add like a taller window and fill in those sides. Or if you don't want to add a window up there, you just fill in this rectangle up here completely. Okay, now let's add our roofs. So for this side, we're just going to draw a diagonal up with our paint, like this. Draw a straight line over from there. And then fill that in. And then for this point, we're gonna make a rectangle. So we'll come up diagonal like this. Then go back down diagonal like that. And then we fill in that triangle. And there's your outline of a silhouette of a haunted house. And if you want to add like things on the side, like maybe a creepy tree over here, I kind of just did wavy lines up from this, just one line, wavy line, wavy line, wavy line, and another wavy line. Okay, now let's move on to our cat. Alright, for our cat, I'm going to turn my sketchbook this direction, sort of more landscape. First step, you're gonna make a bean shape. So, something like this, and then like this, or an upside down non-pointy heart, if you're better at drawing hearts. Then fill that in. Circle, kind of like an oval, more of an oval-y circle. Fill that in, and we're in low on black paint. Okay. I'm gonna fix my oval because I went outside. There we go. Now he kind of has more of a snap. Okay. Triangle from here. Little triangle. Like that. Fill it in. Now for the legs, draw a line down. Two lines next to each other. One there. One there. his paws, just little circles. Circles. And I'm gonna thicken this one. Gonna make his back more arched. Okay, so a little bit more steeper back here. And for his tail, you want it kind of going up in the air. Like that. And then if you want to make it look like his fur is kind of sticking up, we're just going to do lightly, just little lines all across his back. I needed some more paint, so here. Just like this. Just his little hair standing up. And you could make his tail look poofier too. Just by... I'm just dabbing my paintbrush along the edges. And there's your cat. And you can like adjust how you did his outline if you need to adjust it. Like I did here, and it turned out that it just kind of made more of a nose for him. And if you want to make him on a fence, it's just little rectangles. Without the bottoms. Just up, down, up, down, up. And then you can fill that in if you want. And there's our cat. I hope this video helped you out with some of your Halloween decorating. Maybe it was just a fun activity to do for Halloween. Please like this video if it did help you out, because others then will be able to find it if you do like it. It helps with the algorithm of when people search for this type of video. So I would appreciate it if you did click that like button, and also subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you so much for being here and watching.